'Cause the devil's got my
Hey! Hi! First time na ako mag-vlog. First time ako taga-tour. Ako raw sa mag-travel. First time na ako maggagala ng ako lang mag-isa. So, lantawan tayo if makaya na ako. Pero, yeah, this is my first vlog. This is also a get to know me vlog. So, let's see. Doon gusto akong ante karon kay na yung boy Faye larga na ugma. So, save the best for last. Save the best moment for last. Well, yeah, pag-doon ko na yan, then, wala. Meet na. So, Azor, it's a beach resort located in the middle of the city. Nasa akong pool. I don't know if makaligo ko kasi weekend whole duty. So, I'm wide awake the whole night and based sa superstitions diri. Bawal maligo og walay tulog. So, pero karon mo ato pa ko og padala pa ko kwarta nilang mama kay birthday sa kamangod. Shout out sa kamangod, happy birthday. Mark kay pa ko ba? Happy birthday to you. So, mo ato ta karon sa Cebuana kay magpadala ko. Magpa-load po ko. Kaya wala na ako load. And then, yeah. After that, nang maghanda lang ko, magbuko grab. First time na ako lang sa Labes. Wala ko kabalang nga siya pupunta. Yeah, let's see if makaya na ako. Magkuha ko video sa every moment pagpunta dito and then kung sa mga tabo dito. So, thank you. Stay tuned. And then first vlog, please support. Yeah. Ano, maabot ako sa Azur. Hahaha. Look at that. Yeah. Ayan o. See that? Magsuswimming si Iyay mamaya dyan. Napaka ano na ng Pilipinas. Ang lalaki na ng building na ginagawa. And why am I Tagaloging? I'm supposed to be speaking English and all because the people around me are English. It's kind of a little island in the middle of the city. Yeah, but it's really different from what it was in Sikihor. So, well. Mali pala. Mali. Yes. And push natin tong vlog na walay klaro. Asa ba tamuli ko? Tamuli buta na. Wow na. Matag hospital lang ane. Nangihikas ah. Ha? Sana ko. Ayan, gabi na. Very dark na. Sarap dito tumambay pag mayaman ka, no? Oh, oh yung swimming pool nila, oh. Diba? Sarap tumambay. Sorry ha, medyo ano yung light kasi front camera ng phone ko yan. And syempre, low quality tayo. So, this is how it looks like. Ayan. Skyscrapers, towering buildings, and a very wide pool. Na kanina nakita niyo naglalaro kami ng, anong tawag dito? Wave. Akala mo naman, first na maka-experience ng wave pool. So, yun nga po. So, dito ko na lang siguro tatapusin yung vlog. And, yeah, it was fun. I don't know. It's okay. I enjoyed it. Today, I enjoyed today and I love it. So, thank you so much for watching. I'll keep you posted with my other vlogs. So, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that if for my next videos you'll get notified and you will know the updates of my life.